Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. Myself Sahil Yadav and I am back with the new syllabus of chemical engineering. So I am going to start with mechanical unit operation. This is our lecture 1. In this module we are going to cover the full syllabus of mechanical unit operation, which is a good subject in chemical engineering and it's an important subject. Alright, so let's start the video. If you are new, please subscribe to the channel and join us on Telegram. In this video, what we are going to discuss is we are going to discuss about the syllabus, like what all things that we are going to cover in this lectures. Second, we are going to cover the scope of mechanical unit operation, like where this all things that you are going to learn will be useful for you. Then we will also see the industrial application, like where this all in mechanical unit operations are used in industries. Also, I will provide the list of books that you have to refer. All right, so let's go. Okay, so this is an important notice that you have to adhere by. Okay, so if you really want to be with me and be connected to me and learn chemical engineering, this all points you have to mark up and then follow me. Otherwise, it won't be fruitful to you. So you have to start writing down everything that I speak, everything that I share on my PPT. You have to write it down and create your own notes. Okay. You can also pause the video if you are not able to catch up. Second, you have to do self study as well, like whatever being taught in these videos you have to do self study and ask me a doubt on Telegram channel. I will be happy to solve them. Then you have to follow strictly to the videos, like whatever I speak you have to follow it. Then and then only I can prove, I can guarantee you that at last you will be the successful. And all those videos that we are going to start, it will be not more than of 15 minutes. Okay, so all the lectures that I will be covering will be not more than 15 minutes. So in 2 months we are going to cover this whole syllabus. All right, so this is the syllabus that we are going to cover. I will give you a brief. From tomorrow onwards we will start with the unit 1. So first unit will be of solid characterization. Okay, so this solid characterization is an important part in mechanical unit operation. First of all, we will start with what is mechanical unit operation, what are the uses of mechanical unit operations. Okay, so first chapter we will be doing of solid characterization. In mechanical unit operation, what we have to do is we have to study about the solid fluids and then designing of the solid fluid operations like filtration, agitations, adsorptions, all those things. Okay, so in first chapter what we are going to cover is we are going to see like how to handle the particulate solids, its characterization, how do we characterize if the solid particle is there, then how do we find that what is its size, what is its volume, what is its diameter if it is comprising of various solid particles. All those we will see. Then we will see how to the properties of masses of particle, like different types of calculations are there to calculate the mass of particle or the mass of a bulk. Then we will see the classification of solids, sieving and screening of equipments, like in screening, how screening works, what will be the product, what will be the composition of the product, and what will be the composition of the thing which is not able to pass through screens. All those things we will see. Then mixing of solid, this is an important topic. Okay, mixing of solids, that we will see. Okay, that is having a 2 to 3 formulas, we will cover them. Then we will see about the size reduction, like we have different equipments that are being used to reduce the size, so we will see laws of size reduction. Then energy relationship, like how much energy will be required in size reduction and what will be the impact. Then power requirement in size reduction, work index, that is also new term for you. Then methods of size reduction, classification of equipments for size reduction. Like then we will see crusher, grinder, disintegrator for coarse, fine. All those things we will cover in the solid characterization unit 1. Then we will see solid fluid operation, which will be connected to the fluid mechanics. So here you will be seeing like gravity settling. Settling is the first topic of that. Then you will see settling, sedimentation, thickening, illustration. Then you will see the classifiers, like how they work, how to classify, how to separate solids and fluid. So for that we will be having classifier like double clone classifier, rake classifier, bowl classifier, centrifugal separators. All those equipments we will see. Then we will also see in depth to the designing of those equipments. We will also see about the packed beds, fixed bed, fluidized bed, pneumatic conveying. Okay, all those things we will see. Then we will see the solid fluid separation, filtration. Then we will in unit 3 and unit 4 is basically the designing unit. Like in first and second unit we will learn what is mechanical unit operation and what are those mechanical unit operation related to solid and fluid. In unit 3 and unit 4 we will see the designing, like how to design filtration and how to design a equipment which is used in industries for mechanical unit operation. All right. So in unit 3 we will be seeing about the filtration. So how filtration work, types of filtrations, types of filters, how to calculate the amount of cake, how to amount calculate the amount of time, how to how to calculate the which filter media should you use, what is the size of filter media. All those things we will see in this unit 3. Okay. In unit 4, what we will see is this agitation, designing of agitators for mixing of solids. Then we will see how to store and convey the solids as well as liquids as well as gaseous. All those things we will see in unit 4. So here you will see the designing of silos, bunkers, beans, what is difference between both the silos, beans and hoppers. All those we will see in unit 4. Now let us discuss what this MUO, mechanical unit operation, is important for us. Why it is important for us. So what are the course outcome? This is actually a course outcome. Like what will you learn from the lectures of this mechanical unit operation? So you will be able to select suitable size reduction equipment. Like if you are given which equipment should you use if this is a size and you have to create the product of this size, you will be efficiently able to recognize which equipment should you use. Then you will be able to give answer of fluid flow operations, like which beds to use, which equipment to use for fluid flow. If this is a flow, then which equipment should you use for better reaction, better product conversion. That all you will be able to understand. Then you will be able to identify the different type of mixing, agitation and conveying of solid and its power requirement, that you will be learning in chapter 1 and 2. Then dynamic and principal separation, design of filtration, all those are your scope of mechanical unit operation. Then what are its industrial application? So industrial application will be the designing. So designing of agitator, if you want to go in industry, you will be able to give answer for this designing of agitator, designing of filtration. And in industries, agitators are everywhere. They are used for agitation purpose. They are everywhere. Designing of filtration. So in filtration, like where do we use filtration? So in wastewater treatment, fractionation of edible oil, and other places where you have to separate solid from liquid or the heavy material from the lower density material. There we will use filtration. So in every industry, filtration is used in a small way or a bigger way. So you will be able to go in those industries as well. Then you will be able to this industrial application with which is related to separation industries like solid waste industries, segregation of solids and removal of waste from it, then crushing, jaw crusher, all those hammer mill, all those industries which are using the solid waste industries. Then you will be able to do business as well by doing the designing of learning the designing of hoppers and tanks. Then we will be having a scope of water treatment industries and then coal mining industries. So all those are our scopes where we can go after learning this subject. These are the books that you have to refer to. First is Unit Operation of Chemical Engineering. We will be strictly following through this book. Warren L. McCabe and Julian C. Smith are the authors. Okay. We will be strictly following to this book, Unit Operation of Chemical Engineering, 5th edition. Then we have second book, that is Introduction to Chemical Engineering by Walter. Okay, so this is a good book. Then the third book that you can follow is Principle of Unit Operation. This is a good book which is by Alan Frost. This book is good. And the final, Coulson and Richardson. If you want to learn more, then you can follow this book, Coulson and Richardson, volume second volume. Okay. So in this video, we are going to stop here. From the next video, we are going to see the solid characterization. All right. So thank you. Be connected. Bye.